Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video if you're a Google Chrome user. One of the things that I always tell everybody is make sure you've got the latest version of the browser. And sometimes people say, well, I don't know, why? Well, there's many reasons. One of the reasons is compatibility with what's happening on the web and everything that you can view in the web pages. But the most important aspect of Google Chrome updates is that there's a lot of security flaws. So, for example, they released version 66 this week, um, actually yesterday, April 17th, 2018. And, just looking at moving from version 65 to version 66, they actually fixed 62 security flaws. Gives you an idea that this is important. It's important to upgrade. So how do you know if you have the latest version? How do you know if you have upgraded, and how do you upgrade? It's very simple. Just launch your your Google Chrome web browser. And once you are there, go in the upper right corner, you'll see three vertical dots. Click on that. And then go into Help, and then go into About Google Chrome. This will show you your version number. But if you are not at the latest version, it will also force update your Google Chrome browser. And after it does so, it will require a restart of your browser. And you will be at the latest version. So even if it's not for the features, update it for the security aspect of your browser, because that is part of why you will stay safe. Having your browser patched for all the security flaws is a really good thing. They've also, in this new version, have an update to the mitigation of the Spectre CPU flaws. And this is nice because it actually keeps you safe even if you don't have the Spectre fix installed on your machine. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.